Hi guys, so the question the other day somebody asked on the chat there was I can't find this comment from version 5.5 in version 5.6. So as Business Center is becoming bigger and bigger platform, there is going to be more and more comments showing up. So some of them, they get hidden as the new releases come out, and there are few ways on how to get them back. So let's just open a default template here and take a quick peek at it. So the comment in question was the combined surfaces, which was the new feature in 5.5, and there is a video on my channel somewhere about it. When you go to surfaces, as you can see, there is no comment called combined surfaces. So there's two ways. The first one is just open a command window and type in combine, and as you can see, the second one is combined surfaces. So once you click on it, it's going to open your comment combined surfaces and asking you to new surface and all that good stuff. The other way is just anywhere on the ribbon where there is a empty space, just right click and go to customize ribbon. It's going to open the option window, and under surfaces I'm going to open create, and then on the left hand side I'm just going to find the combine surfaces right here, and I'm going to add it in here. Now it added it at the top, which I don't necessarily like. I just want to drag it down and put it just after surface slicer, and I did it too much there. No, one up. Okay, so after surface slicer. And since we are here, let's take a quick peek at a different one which I like under the takeoff. If we go to, well, let's just finish this one. So as you can see now, it's combined surfaces over here. Under takeoff, I like the MSC manager to have a large icon, so we can do the same thing in customize ribbons. And I'm gonna go to takeoff and go under site improvements, and I'm gonna click on this and I'm gonna hit this modify item, and you see preferred size is default. I'm gonna go large, hit OK, and if I done it correctly, as you can see, it's a large icon now. You can do the same thing with the combined surfaces, for example. So there is a way of customizing your own ribbons, creating your ribbons and all that stuff. The biggest and most important thing is don't forget to export your ribbons out, since because there is gonna be a new update, or you're gonna have to reinstall Business Center. You're gonna lose all your customization what coming up to ribbons. That just a quick note on the side. Hope this helped you. Don't forget to subscribe, check out on the old social media, give us a shout if you need any modeling or serving info, and we'll see you next one.